Hello, my name is Tyler from Wensco, and today we're going to show you how to replace the sheet cut blade on the Roland XJ-640. This is just a print machine, so there's no contour cut blade, but there is still a sheet cut blade. We'll go ahead and show you how to replace that now. To get to this, you're going to go into the menu, down to the sub menu, and then from here we'll go up to the maintenance menu and down to replace knife and press enter. To remove the blade, you're just going to undo this screw that's right here. Once it's loose, you should be able to just slide the entire unit out. So it should come up and towards me. Sometimes the blade doesn't come out, so you can see here, this came out without the blade. So you'll just have to slide the blade out individually, and then you should be able to grab it and pull it out from there. From here you can see there's a small half circle on this. So what you're going to do is you're actually just going to make sure the blade lines up with that half circle there, so you can see that they're lined up right there. From here, the unit should just slide back into place. And then once it's back into place, you should be able to tighten the screw back down. And you should be good to go. And that's how you replace the sheet cut blade on the Roland XJ-640. If you have any questions about this, you can contact us here at Wensco and we'd be glad to help you out. But if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us do next. And if you liked anything you saw in this video, you can check it out at wensco.com. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.